And on my list, I put that I was going to bring 4 swimsuits, but I decided to pack 5 because I'm so in love with the swimsuits that I got from Shein. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for tuning in today. And I know the setup is different today. We are in my room because I am packing for Mexico. Yes, I'm getting ready to go to Mexico in 2 days. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys. Well, actually, is it 2 days? Today is the 4th and I'm leaving on the 6th. So yes, in 2 days. And I'm going to pack and I'm going to show you guys what I'm packing and how I'm packing my luggage. And also, guys, don't mind my hair. I'm getting my hair done tomorrow. I just got done filming another video about how I wash my hair. So make sure you go ahead and hit that link up above so you will know my everyday wash day routine. And if you guys want to see how I pack for Mexico, I want you to continue to keep on watching. Alright guys, so the first thing I packed in my bag is my underclothes and a face washcloth. I don't really like to use the washcloths at the hotels. I don't really trust them all that much, so I bring my own washcloth for my face. Then I put my so I put some workout clothes in my bag. Yes, I know I'm going on vacation, but they have a nice gym at the resort I'm staying at, so I may want to slide in there. Not making any promises, but just in case I decide to work out, I will have that option of clothing in my luggage. So then I'm going to go ahead and put in my night clothes. And by the way, I took a tip from another YouTuber and made a list of all the things that I need to put in my luggage because, you know, as a girl who likes to wear many different outfits, we tend to forget what we need to pack. So I'll go ahead and put my night clothes down here in the bottom along with my gym clothes or my workout clothes. And for my night clothes, I just got like a couple pair of shorts and tanks. And on my list, I put that I was going to bring 4 swimsuits, but I decided to pack 5 because I'm so in love with the swimsuits that I got from Shein. So I have 5 of them I'm packing, and I'm going to stick those in the bottom as well. They don't take up a lot of space, so that's a good thing about the swimsuits. And if you guys want to check out the swimsuits that I have a couple of swimsuit trial hauls on my channel, and I'll link them somewhere up at the top of this video. Okay, so also I got some swimsuit cover-ups that I'm putting down here at the bottom as well. If you guys can tell, that's about half my suitcase, but I'm telling you guys, I got so much more left because I know how to pack a suitcase tight. All right, and I also have like some chill clothes because we plan on doing an excursion. We might like ride ATVs or something like that. So I got jean shorts and a t-shirt. So I'm going to put that on top of the swimwear and things. And then I got like 2 extra t-shirt options just in case I decide not to wear the t-shirt I initially planned on wearing. And I packed a couple of cute little outfits, like vacation wear type of outfits. So we decided to go to dinner or, you know, go out anywhere, you know, go to the club or anything like that. I do have outfits for that as well. So that's going to be going in the bag. I chose 2 different outfits for that. And I also did record a video of a vacation try-on haul, and some of these outfits are on that video as well. So if you guys want to go over to my channel and check that out. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 full outfits to choose from while I'm there. And then the 5th outfit was the chill outfit. And so that's in there. So now for the shoes. Okay guys, so I'm staying in Mexico for 5 days, 4 nights. So I'm only gonna bring 4 pair of shoes. One of them is gonna be these clear heels I have from Steve Madden, and you can pretty much wear these with anything. I've only worn these once, so they're not that dirty, but I am gonna just stick them in a little baggie so they don't get the rest of my clothes dirty. Then I got a pair of black flip-flops I'm putting in the bag, and a pair of brown sandals I got from Boohoo. These are going in the bag as well. And then last I have another pair of Steve Madden slides, but I think I'm gonna wear these to the airport, and they're clear, so they go with a lot of things as well. So I think I'm gonna wear these to the airport, so I'm not gonna pack them in the bag. Just these 3 gonna go in the bag, and these will go on top of all of my clothes. Alright guys, so I also have this little baggie. I pack a little of my jewelry in here. I'm not taking a lot of jewelry with me, nor am I taking any of my expensive jewelry just in case I lose anything, because I'm notorious for that. So I packed this little jewelry in this little bag, and I'm going to stick this in the netted part along with my underwear and washcloth. In there, I'm also going to put some belts. And I also plan to film a couple videos while I'm there. Maybe some get ready with me in Mexico. I think that'll be fun. So I'm bringing my ring light along with me and the mount for my ring light as well. Alright, so that's pretty much it for my carry-on. And now we're going to move on to my personal luggage. So I'm flying with Delta. So with Delta, you get two things free. You get a free carry-on and a free personal item. So let's move on to that. Okay guys, for my personal item, I'm going to be using this old Michael Kors bag I have. And I'm going to use this to put in all the stuff that I might need, like my hands on at the moment, like my passport, my ID, my wallet and stuff like that. So within this bag, I'm going to put my actual purse that I usually carry around, what I plan on using on vacation. I'm going to put that inside of here. It has my wallet in already. And my passport, I'm going to go ahead and put this in one of the zip pockets inside of this bag. And also I'm going to put a few pair of shades. I have 3 pair of shades. I'm going to stick these in the zipper part. But I'm also going to put in my my phone stand so I can record videos. And I have this clear bag I got from Walmart. It's like TSA approved bag that you put all your liquids in. I already have my toothbrush in here and some lotion. Also, I have makeup wipes in here, like a little travel size makeup wipe bag in here. So that's in there. I'm going to also put in my Got To Be glue because I'm going to need that for my edges. I'm going to stick that in there. And I'm going to put in my Jimmy Choo perfume because it's small enough to get through TSA as a carry-on. So I'm going to put that in there too. Some Vaseline just in case. And guys, I got to buy sunscreen. I actually have that on my list to buy. I'm going to put my deodorant in this bag. I'm going to put body wash in this bag. Some floss sticks for my teeth. Of course, I have braces, so I'm going to need that. And Carmex in this bag. And that's pretty much it. Oh, and some ibuprofen. Always going to need some ibuprofen. That's going to go in the bag as well. Zip that up. Some chewing gum. I'm putting that inside my purse that's inside of my bag. My headphones, so I'm not bored on the plane. I have some waist beads that my sister gave me. I'm probably going to put these on actually before I get to the airport. So they're probably going to be underneath my clothes anyway. I love my waist beads my sister made. So these are going to go in the bag as well. And some panty liners just in case. It's going to go into the bag. And I'm going to put that TSA bag in here. I love this Michael Kors bag, y'all. I forgot the name of it, but it's so freaking roomy. I've had it forever. And then my notebook, just my checklist. And all the little things I check off with my notebook, that's going to go in this bag as well. Alright guys, and my personal item bag is full. This right here, oh, I could throw this in here as well too. This is supposed to be one of those cases you use your phone underwater with. I'm scared to use it, but just in case I decide to use it, that'll be in the bag as well. So that's it guys. This is just a little short video to show you guys how I pack. Or, well, how I'm packing to go to Mexico specifically. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And stay tuned for more videos. I will be filming one in Mexico. So I will see you guys in my next one. But don't forget to like this video, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next videos. Alright guys, bye.